It's Dovi time. Dovi is coming back. On Monday, he will try the new RS GP of Aprilia, a motorbike that is quite strong this year. I mean, they improve a lot from last year. We saw Aleix, he was in the third position in the first laps of the last Doha Grand Prix. He's eighth in the championship. It's a strong motorbike. I mean, a good engine. The motorbike moves very well between the corners, and of course, I think they can improve a lot with the Dovi test. And we hope to see Dovi soon on the during the races, not even for a test. So push Dovi.